Mosasaurus here, Triceratops and T-Rex. Now let's assemble it. Let's start from Triceratops. We have Triceratops here. And then let's find the leg. I think this is the rear leg. Assemble it. Okay. And then this is the front leg. Let's tighten it with the bolt. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's do the other side. Okay. This is the front leg. And this is the rear leg. Okay. And then let's tighten the bolt. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. We have Triceratops here. Now let's move on to the T-Rex. This is T-Rex with the weapon on the back. Let's find the leg first, right here, and then the arm. Very tiny little arm. And then let's tighten it with the bolt. 1, 2, 3. It's done. And then let's move on to the other side. This is the leg. And then this is the arm. And let's tighten the bolt. 2 and 3. Okay, this is Tyrannosaurus Rex with the plate backpack. This is not a wing, this is a plate. Now let's move on to the next dinosaurs. This is Mosasaurus, underwater dinosaurs. Now let's assemble the leg. This is the front leg maybe. Yes. And then this is the rear leg. Okay. Then let's tighten the bolt. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do the same with the other side. Fix the rib first, right here. This is the front leg, and this is the rear leg. Okay, it's done. And then let's tighten the bolt. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have, look, Mosasaurus. Now let's turn it on. It's working. right there. Then let's turn it on the T-Rex. Also move on. And the Triceratops. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We'll see you on the another video. Thank you and goodbye. See you again.